Welcome to MyCyberCoach, the video series designed for veterans considering a transition from military service to a career in cybersecurity. I'm your host, Jason Shockey, and I'm excited to help you make the leap from service to cyber. Let's get into it. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a really exciting role in cybersecurity, penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking. This job is all about thinking like a hacker to help companies find their vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. I'll walk you through what a day in the life of a penetration tester looks like, some essential tools and skills, and how to start on this path. Let's get started. So what exactly is penetration testing, or pen testing as it's often called? Think of it like a simulated cyber attack. Penetration testers, or pen testers, are hired by companies to test the strength of their defenses by attempting to break in, just like a hacker would. This helps companies understand their vulnerabilities and fix them before any real damage can be done. Pen testing is usually broken down into stages, starting with reconnaissance, where you gather as much information about the target as possible. Next is exploitation, where you try to actually break into the system. And finally, reporting, where you document what you found and suggest ways to fix it. It's a mix of detective work, technical skills, and creative problem solving. And yes, if you love puzzles, this could be a great fit for you. So what does a typical day look like? Here's a quick rundown. Most days start with planning and recon. You might spend hours researching your target, gathering information on their systems and applications, and their network infrastructure. Then you move to vulnerability scanning, when you use tools to find weak points in the system. Next up is the fun part, exploitation. This is where you attempt to use those vulnerabilities to get into the system. This is where a lot of your hacking skills and tools come into play. Finally, you'll spend a good chunk of time writing a report for your client, explaining what you found and how they can fix it. Pen testing can be high pressure, but if you love problem solving and have that never give up mindset, it's incredibly rewarding. Now let's talk about skills. A pen tester needs a strong understanding of networks, operating system, and application security. Skills in programming, especially languages like Python, can help you automate tasks and create custom scripts. There are also specific tools every pen tester should know. For instance, Metasploit is an exploitation tool that lets you test for vulnerabilities in a controlled way. Wireshark is used for analyzing network traffic, and Nmap is essential for scanning and mapping networks. Burp Suite is another great one for testing web applications. And if you're wondering about certifications, there are a few that stand out for pen testers. The OSCP, or Offensive Security Certified Professional, and CompTIA's Pentest Plus are excellent choices that show employers you've got the skills for the job. So how do you get started? First, build a solid foundation in general IT and cybersecurity concepts. Learning about networks, security protocols, and operating systems is crucial. Then start exploring pen testing tools, and maybe even set up a lab environment at home where you can practice legally and safely. Platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box offer great environments where you can practice real-world hacking techniques. Capture the Flag challenges are another way to test your skills and learn by doing. If pen testing sounds like something you'd enjoy, remember that it takes time and practice, but there's a lot of support out there. Start building those skills, earn some certifications, and you'll be on your way to a challenging and exciting career. Thanks for watching MyCyberCoach. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.